Hey everybody, welcome back to the front row. We are here at Universal Orlando. We are in the lovely parking garage. We are heading in. They got some Horror Nights stuff set up in here, and the Jurassic World Tribute Store is about to close in a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. So there's a couple of things we wanted to grab specifically before that closes, but I'll see you guys on the inside. Come with us. Let's go have some fun.
What should I scream for? This is my theme park.
So, we got it, but I don't know if you can hear that. I'm standing under a hole in the roof. We're kind of Monsoon. We're just waiting it out. Well, I got my chocolate egg, and well, we got caught in a monsoon. Luckily, we were going to go ride some water rides, but it looks like maybe not. But I'm glad I brought a change of clothes anyway, too. Brought a change of clothes in the backpack. Looks like I'm gonna need them for a whole nother reason. This has been a weather update from a very soggy Universal Orlando resort. Okay, we're tucked into Diagon Alley here.
Looks like
under the topping, of course, after it's almost slowed down a little bit, but we're tucked away. We're gonna eat this egg right now because I want some chocolate. I need somebody to hold it so I can crack it, because this is all chocolate and it's melting on my fingers right now. Oh. Crack into that. Ooh, that's good chocolate. Well, I got Triceratops.
Yep, you can pick the red, green, or blue.
Anyway, you gotta pick which one you want. Oh! There's white chocolate shavings in here. It was really good. It is currently melting all over my hands.
We need napkins. We always forget napkins.
First thing, after the rainstorm, obviously, come over to the former Fear Factor stage, which is all tarped off. There's definitely a sign under that one that I can't read. They haven't, looks like, put a sign on this one yet. There's definitely another sign over there, but I don't know if you could see it very well, but they have like put up lights and speakers and stuff in there, so they're definitely working. It's definitely going to be some kind of stage show. Maybe cross my fingers it's Bill and Ted, but I doubt that it is. It's probably more of a Carnival of Carnage redo, so to speak, redux. But they've also got trusses here and over there, right there through San Francisco here. Starting to put stuff up, which is really nice, because I was starting to get worried there that it wasn't going to happen again, and that would make me very upset. But starting to see some props show up, starting to see some things happen, so positive signs. Let's go, John. Ooh, they even got more scaffolding over there. For this area right here, with this scaffolding here in this area here, that's usually where they put the couple of drink tents, these two tents over here, these two little beverage carts, however, whatever you want to call them. They usually end up being for drink tents, for specialty drinks, which we will definitely be trying, so check in for Horror Nights for that. But we're bounce through here to see what else we can find for the single greatest event in the history of mankind. You know it, I know it. It's the greatest event, and it's the 30th anniversary, so big things happening, big things on the horizon. I predict huge things, big things, the greatest things. Let's go find some more stuff. You go through Central Park here, there's lighting trusses too. Just lighting for now, but it's definitely a good sign. Kind of all over. Kind of a little bit all over the place. Hey, look at that crowd. It's because it just stopped raining, so everybody's kind of like creeping back out. Yeah, he was doing that. But oh well, what are you gonna do? Welcome to Florida. It gets wet. Going into the Born store. They've got some preview merch for the Beetle guys. And the classic monsters, Frankenstein. Oh, and then the Haunting of Hill House merch. This is usually like the monstery stuff anyway, because Horror Makeup Show lets out in here. So it's a perfect spot to put this. You used that already. They're coming through over by Shrek here. They got more stuff put up for some kind of scare zone here. Some kind of welcome zone. It'd be nice to see all the icons in here. That'd be really nice, kind of welcome you in. You always have that entering zone, kind of give you the feel of what's going on, so that's nice to see that they're already setting that up. But from everything I've seen, the next area that we're going to go check out is very much pretty much already set up, minus a few props. Like, it more or less kind of understand what the zone's going to be. So let's walk into New York. I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then in New York here, I got quite a bit of stuff set up here. This little stage. Yeah, I got all these little like boxes. I don't know if you can see them kind of on either side with all these numbers on them. Over there. There's another one with a number on it. You see one was back there, and here's two right over by the Blues Brothers stage. Got to talk a little bit because they're going to play When the Moon Hits Your Eye Like a Pizza Pie, and then there's three down there. I don't see much of any other like decorations as far as Horror Nights are concerned, but I think this New York stuff is pretty telling because there's quite clearly going to be a what I think could possibly be like Deadtropolis, maybe a run scare zone. That'd be really cool. But it's definitely gonna be like heavy metal and extreme and loud, and think Rob Zombie from a couple years ago, only like bigger. That's what I'm thinking. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna do it. As you can see, I've changed. We're coming out of Islands of Adventure. Because off camera, child finally got what she wanted. We rode the water rides. Tip, always bring a change of clothes. Because walking around in theme park, water soaked clothes, not the greatest. But we're gonna head home. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, all that crap. And remember, be kind to one another. In the front row, it's always worth the wait.